Hey guys, what is up? It's a new vlog, it's a new day. We're doing this once again for RCBC, and today we're gonna talk about goals. Life goals, to be specific. Now, what kind of goals do we have? Everybody's got their own different goals. I got goals to travel the world, see so many different things, go to many beautiful beaches and places. For other people, they might want a nice car. And yet for other Filipinos, they might want a house. Just simple things. Shelter, a nice place, a nice backyard, place to cook, eat dinner with the family. We all have these goals. But here is one thing all these goals have in common, and that is to attain them, you need some money. And basically, this vlog is all about showing you life hacks to get to your life goals quicker and faster. And we're gonna start with a simple thing called loans. I know it has a bad reputation. So many people have many horror stories about it. Some people might think it's a debt trap, but if you use it wisely, I promise you it can better your cash flow. Now, I guess here's a good tip. Think about it this way. If you have your monthly income, get 30% of that, and basically that is your maximum limit for how much loans you have to pay off monthly. Believe me, that works. The second thing you need to do is to commit. Okay, if you commit 30% of your monthly income, you have to make sure you do that throughout the lifetime of the loan. And if you do that, I promise you will get your life goals much earlier than you expected. So with some sound financial planning, these loans can and will help you. Alright guys, so we're talking about loans, and right now I think you have three options available to you. The first one is personal loans. You can use this to buy yourself something nice, pay for your tuition, travel abroad. The second one would be auto loans. All the cars that you see around me in this parking lot, you can get that with an auto loan. The third one is a home loan, and as the name suggests, you can get yourself a home, land, a house. But here's a pro tip. You can also use a home loan to pay for your house renovations. So if you want to do something nice for your mom, I think that would be really sweet. At the end of the day, there are so many loan products out there for you to avail of. The best thing that you can do to educate yourself is to get a financial partner. It can help you out. Go to a branch, talk to a manager, and they will help you. Talk about RCBC. You know they own this YouTube channel if you look below, so don't forget to subscribe and like. But here's the deal, I promise you they got your back when you need anything financially related. Just think of them as a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Now here's the great thing, if you have been a depositor in RCBC Savings Bank for at least 6 months, you can already avail of a personal loan easily. Let me show you how. Alright, personal loans aside, let's talk about cars. It's everybody's dream to have that nice car, maybe a big one for your family, and we know it's a hefty investment, which is why RCBC is here to help you. Here's a bit more info. We've covered personal goals, we've covered car goals. Next thing, the biggest goal of them all, every single Filipino would love to have their own house, and RCBC can help you there. Yet again, here are some things for the home loans. And there you go, the basic moral of the story, guys and girls, is that to not allow financial constraints to limit yourself from attaining your goals and your dreams. And like we said, loans are the magic trick. They can help you get everything you want much quicker in life. And to get yourself started, you can check out the handy dandy loan calculator of RCBC Savings Bank right down below. And if you liked the video, if you learned something, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again sometime. See you guys.